A 100-kilogram man, after he has jumped from an airplane, is experiencing 490 newtons of force due to air resistance. Is the man accelerating? Well, first, I know something about the man, or they tell me something about the man. The man has 100 kilograms of mass. So the very first thing I can figure out is what is his force due to gravity? And that equals mass times acceleration. Force equals 100 times negative 9.8. Force due to gravity equals negative 980 newtons. But then the problem also tells me that he is experiencing a force in this direction, and it is the force due to air resistance. But that is positive 490 newtons. Now, in order to figure out whether the man is accelerating or not, I need to figure out if there's a net force. Now, I have these formulas, and they're a little bit more complex than they actually need to be, but I'm going to take a look at the one in blue because that is the y-axis. And so basically it says force net is all the forces going up plus all the forces going down. But considering I only have two forces, I kind of don't need this and I don't need this. So I'm going to rewrite the formula. Force net equals the force in this direction plus the force in this direction. Well, okay, so force net equals, I have 490 newtons going up plus I have a negative 980 newtons going down. The reason that it's negative is it is down, but it allows us to do the force net problem very, very well. When I do the math, I get force net that equals a negative number, 490 newtons, and that negative indicates that the force is going in a downward direction. Okay? If there is a force net and it is not equal to 0, that means that the forces are unbalanced and therefore there is an acceleration. Now we know that this acceleration is very specific because he's falling down. In other words, this man is in free fall.